Previous session, we have seen consignment fill up. Okay. So from unrestricted stock to who filled up the stock at customer location. So next we're going to see consignment issue. Whatever the dumped or available stock as a special stock that will be utilized by your customer. Okay. So consignment issue or KE, CA or KE, and KEN is the item category, and C0 or C1, and 633 is the moment type. Okay. Practically, if you see this, okay, once fill the stock, customer, okay, stock will be issued. That means out of 1,000 tires, so we're going to utilize 100 tires as per our Excel practical. Okay, let's try to check Excel example. See, what is the basic difference when you compare it with ECC? You are creating here it as a BP, nothing else. The process is similar. So you are creating BP customer, that's it. Okay. So that I'll show you. We have already created in previous sessions. Now we're going to act on this process. Here, customer is 100 stock utilizing from the special stock. Okay. So probably let me try to make it this one. Let's try to make it this one as white. Okay. That's from this 1,000. So customer would like to use this. So here, so once it is dumped also, ownership is belongs to C8 only. Okay. So this is for C8 only. Okay. So, but once customer is used 100 tires out of 1,000, so the ownership is belongs to the customer who utilized. Who is the customer in our case? Honda, right? Okay. As an example. So this is practical one. Just I would like to make it a place. You will have an entry questions for this. So document type is CF or else KB, depends on the system. So KBN, so schedule and category E0 or even with or without availability check, and this is 631. Okay. So now it is so CI consignment issue or else, okay, I'll keep it this one. PN is the item category. Okay. So this is C0, C0 or C1 with or without availability. This is moment type is 633. Okay. This we have already covered as part of the process. Okay. This we're going to cover now. Okay, this part. Let's check this consignment issue, how it works. So they would like to utilize the stock from the special stock. Okay. So for their manufacturing. So before that, let me show you. I have created a BP. Now you can able to check here. Hyundai Germany. Okay, this is what I have created. This is the customer I have created. Okay, this is the sales and distribution rule. So when it comes to partner functions, so this is the customer Hyundai Germany I have created. So there is nothing more. So let's go to MMBE. Okay, before doing consignment issue. So let's execute this. Just wanted to show you the special stock is 1,000 001. From here, 100, I would like to utilize it. Okay. Why we have a special document type for consignment issue. Okay. So if you come back, okay. So as I said that Vivo V8. So you have a separate movement type 633. Okay. And a separate schedule and category. And what else? You have a separate So let's go to the CA. Here, if you see this, it is similarly like your OR only. Okay, exactly the same. Even you can take this one LF, and you are having the billing documents also F2, delivery order related. Everything is same except this. If you wanted to maintain a separate incomplete processes, that is different story. So if you look at this, this is a carbon copy of your OR. But why we have separate? Okay, because it is CA is actually having separate item category. Okay, why we have a separate item category? Let me explain you. Okay, so if you see here in this slide, what is the item category? You have KEN, right? So it's not 10. That's why one thing is that you required separate what I would say item category determination with different document type. You cannot able to default 10 and KEN at the same place. Let's check here. The document type is consignment issue CI. If you see this here, KEN, it is got assigned, right? So why we have KEN? Okay, it is very important step. Why we have KEN means I don't want to remove the stock from my unrestricted stock. I would like to remove the stock from special stock. Okay, what is special stock? So like the 1,000 what you are checking now in the example is the special stock. So let's come here. What is the key and all about? Okay, see consignment issue. Someone has changed the description. If you see, if you compare with 10, you don't have this special stock indicator. If you remove this, it's exactly look like a 10. Okay, but here is the difference. Why we have this W? Okay, so if I would like to remove the stock from customer consignment stock, special stock, then I would like to do it. If it is blank, it will be 10, then it will be treat it as a like a unrestricted stock. That is the only difference. Okay, so it's exactly look like a 10. So you have to observe and learn like this. Okay? So ECC experienced people, they know very well about how it works and all those things. Okay, this is the only difference. So let's go to the schedule and category. Okay, Vivo V6. So here you can see this consignment issue C0 with availability check and without availability check. The moment type is 633. Okay, so this is what it. If you would like to determine Vivo V5, so what is that? KEN is the consignment issue is supposed to assign. Okay, so here the fact is that okay. So your consignment issue is exactly look like war, but I cannot help it out. Why? Because I required a instead of 10, I required a KEN. Why I required KEN? Because it is holding, it need to remove only special stock, not from unrestricted stock. Okay. And the movement type, it's supposed to be 633, not 601. This could be the reason. Okay. We have to do it separate determination with separate document type. Okay. So I think you understood this. So let's try to create it first. PA01. So let's try to create CI consignment issue. Okay. So here goes. So our customer Hyundai. Okay. From the material. So let's try to take 100, for instance. Okay. So if I double click here, okay. So go to the billing document. You can able to see this. Okay. So our Hyundai customer, go to the conditions. I'm all good to go. Let's go for this 100 pieces with the C0 without availability check. Maybe someone has defaulted or else we can able to change how you want it with availability. So let me check this consignment issue. Okay. So let's save this. So 621 it is got created. So now go to VL01N. Okay. So here let's take our shipping point. Okay. So how much stock? So if you look at this, the picking is not from your regular unrestricted. That's why it is like this. Okay. So if you look at this movement type, it's supposed to be 633. Okay. Let's do the PCI. Okay. Let's check this. So now this is the delivery document. It is got created. Okay. That means, so 1001. Let's go to the MMBE quickly. Okay. What is our 321? Is 312, 312, I think. Let me check. Okay. Now you look at this 100, it is got reduced. Okay. So it will not go to the unrestricted stock. It will be moved from your inventory. Okay. 1001 is there. This is what. Okay. So CA tags 100 got reduced from 1001. Okay. Now let's try to do the bill, because since customer used that one, company CA supposed to bill, right? Let's save this same process like F2. So now let's go to the change mode and let's try to check the accounting document. Okay, so now this is what got charged for this customer. Okay, and it will be credited to your account. Okay, this is what it happens. Let's come here. So now let's try to go back here. So this is the process we have done. Next. Okay, consignment issue. Okay, so CI KEN. So now you can able to find the difference when you compare with WAR. Why we have these two different document types? Why we have this? So this is for dump to the stock, special stock, and this is for issue by using 631 and 633. Okay, let's try to check in next session return. Okay, so 100 stock is there, so it is reduced, right? From 1000, it is 900. Okay. This is our, as per this, 9001. I think it, I feel. Let me check in your opinion. So now you understood, right? What is the basic difference? Okay. Let's come here. Let's try to make it this example stock as our example. Okay, consignment stock is 901. Okay, 1000 from 1000. So 9097. Okay. Let's make it this one also 901. 1000. We have done it. Okay. So this is, so now let's try to do the next process, consignment returns. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining this session. If you really want to learn, okay, so please subscribe my courses. I'm just providing these links below this video. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so you'll get more inputs related to SAP. Thank you so much. Wishing all the best. Have a great day.